Question 1. Could you tell me a bit about yourself?
Hello, my name is Andrea Argotti. I'm a psychology and UNAD. From San Nariño, Colombia. Love animals. I am animal leader, the Luna Animals Defense Group in Gualmatan. I am very social and love study in psychology.
Question 2. Why do you want to work for this company? Question
Um, I have experiences with community from managers as animal rights leader and futuro psychologists with teamwork and caring high name on this distinguished company.
3. What are your goals for the future? Question
Being a futuro psychology with specializations to continue working to animals and contributing a community.
Question 4. What are your greatest strengths? And 3. What are your goals for the future?
Some of my strengths are I am altruist, social, keen, I can hunt to listen. Some of me weakness are I am very no and it's hard for me to say no.
5. Can you tell me a bit more about the skills you transfer from your previous line of work to our department here? Question 5.
Sorry. Being altruist, I have an experience with community. I love it and with grants, ideas that help the company and those associated with it. Thank you. Bye.